developing your thinking fit for the future workshop. And we work through a whole lot of these issues that actually help to develop our thinking, to find the tool set, to develop the mindset, to practice and develop the skill set so that we can craft preferred futures. So we normally start with that. For any of you who are not, wanting to arrange a whole workshop, then there are some other ways to engage as well. And I'd like to really invite you to consider the sandbox, the Future Coach Sandbox. And Richard will pop in some links in the moment into the chat box. The sandbox is so interesting because it's designed for coaches and consultants and trainers and speakers. And we get together and we unpack the Futures tools and we see how those tools relate back to our own work. So for some people, they're saying in my practice of occupational psychology, this is what I use, and we can compare it and we can see how Futures tools can enhance that or can enhance the work that they're doing with their clients. And it's very much a collaborative, conversational program that we work through. I've got a Future Coach Sandbox that is public that a lot of my clients and colleagues are on, but it's also a really interesting approach if you want to do that in-house so that teams can work on these tools together. So it's not a workshop necessarily, but it's a way of slowly, gently unpacking all of this futures thinking and seeing how it integrates with the work that you're doing. For anybody who just wants to play around, maybe get access to the books and have access to videos and things, then check out the Futures Alchemy Collaborative on Patreon. You can join that for free. There is a paid version, but you can go in there and there's I'm always putting in some really interesting videos and content there that you can engage with. So the collaborative is quite cool. What you would notice from these two, the sandbox and the collaborative, is that it is people coming together and sharing insights and developing this together, because futures thinking isn't a solo exercise, and it shouldn't be designed just for one in-group of people. The more we have a conversation about it and co-create the future, the closer we come to a future that actually serves everyone.